Mok Gai is a delicious Thai-style biryani, blending fragrant spices with tender chicken and rice. Here's a recipe to make this flavorful dish at home. Ingredients. For the chicken marinade: 500 g chicken thighs or drumsticks, 1 cup plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 tablespoon minced ginger, 1 tablespoon fried shallots, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar. For the rice: 2 cups jasmine rice, rinsed and drained, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 cardamom pods, 2 to 3 cloves, 1 bay leaf, 3 cups chicken broth or water, salt to taste. Garnishes: fried shallots, fresh cilantro leaves, lime wedges. Instructions. 1. Marinate the chicken. In a large bowl, combine the yogurt, curry powder, turmeric, cumin, coriander, garlic, ginger, fried shallots, fish sauce, and sugar. Add the chicken pieces, ensuring they are well coated with the marinade. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour, preferably overnight, to let the flavors develop. 2. Cook the rice. Heat the vegetable oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté until it turns translucent. Stir in the minced garlic, curry powder, and turmeric, and cook for another minute until fragrant. Add the jasmine rice, cinnamon stick, cardamom pods, cloves, and bay leaf. Stir to coat the rice with the spices. Pour in the chicken broth or water, and add salt to taste. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until the rice is fully cooked and the liquid is absorbed. 3. Cook the chicken. While the rice is cooking, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the marinated chicken on a baking tray and bake for 30 to 40 minutes, or until the chicken is fully cooked and golden brown. 4. Serve. Fluff the cooked rice with a fork and transfer it to a serving platter. Place the baked chicken on top of the rice. Garnish with fried shallots, fresh cilantro leaves, and lime wedges. Tips. Serve with a side of cucumber salad or yogurt sauce to balance the richness of the dish. You can adjust the spice level by adding more or less curry powder and turmeric. Enjoy your Khao Mok Gai.